Hello students of Standard 10. Welcome to the e-learning classes of DAV Moyle Public School. Subject Agriculture. Our today's topic is activity on identification of diseases found on tea and coffee plants. Before going to start our activity, some points need to be noted, like for writing activity, take A4 size paper or plain paper or chart paper. Mention your name, standard, section and roll number on it. After that, write down activity name, objective and material required, process with observation table and learning outcomes. Activity: Identification of diseases found on tea and coffee plants. Material required: a compound microscope, permanent slide, infected part of tea and coffee plants, pen, pencil, chart, paper, models and so on. Objectives: to understood the management and protection of diseases found on tea and coffee plants. Procedure: observe the infected part of tea and coffee plants. Fix it under compound or simple microscope. Draw a diagram of infected part and write few points on symptoms and control measures of the given plant. Tea. Camellia sinensis is the botanical name of tea. Belongs to family Camelliaceae or Thylaceae. It is the most popular and the cheapest beverage consumed by two-thirds of the world population. Majority of the tea-producing countries are located in the continents of Asia, where China, India, Sri Lanka are the major producers. In India, it is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Some of tea is produced in Uttarakhand and in Kangra Valley and Madai district of Himachal Pradesh. Black rot disease. Symptoms. The common symptoms are wilting, chlorosis, drying without defoliation and death of bush. Control measures: remove surface mulches around 10 meter, drench soil with manocobes 30 gram per 10 liter water. Follow phytosanitary measures. Kolar canker. Symptoms: the main symptoms are chlorosis, cessations of growth, profuse flowering and canker on stem. Control measures: remove affected portion by pruning the healthy wood and apply copper fungicide to cut ends. Blister bilict. Symptoms: the fungus affected only tender leaves and stem. Stem infected or infection leads to gooseneck shaped dieback and snapping at the point of infection. Control measures: spray of copper oxychloride 350 gram plus planthomycin 70 gram per hectare at 3 to 4 days interval can control the disease. Coffee, Coffea species, is the second important beverage, ranking second among trade commodities. It dried beans are roasted, ground and brewed to make a stimulating and refreshing beverage. Nearly 80% of the world coffee is produced from coffee arabica, 20% from coffee camphora and 1% from coffee libera. There are approximately 2500,000 coffee growers in India. 98% of them are small brewers. India grows both Arabica and Robusta varieties of coffee. The total planted area of coffee covers about 380,000 hectares, mainly in traditional coffee growing states of Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu includes 8%. Dieback symptoms. Dieback refers to death of younger territory branches starting from apex processing downward. Control measures. Removal of dead and weepy wood. Provide judicious shade. Conservation of soil moisture with thick mulch. Foliar application of nutrients. Correcting the soil acidity by application of lime. Leaf rust symptoms. The disease cause economic loss, particularly in Arabica coffee. Lower leaves have small pale yellowish spots. Control measures. Spray with 0.5% Borygdius mixture or 0.03% oxycarboxene 20 EC 3 to 4 times a year. Learning outcomes. Understand the concept of management, protection and cultivation of cash crops. I hope you understand today's activity. We again meet with new activity. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.